Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Pentax K30 DSLR, a rugged, mid-range camera that first made waves for its weather-sealed body, solid performance, and excellent value, design-build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the Pentax K30 is its rugged design. It's compact yet solid, built with 81 weather seals, making it dust-proof and splash-resistant, something rarely found in cameras of its class at the time. Image quality: the K30 houses a 16.3-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, the same sensor found in Pentax's higher-end K5. Paired with the Prime M image processor, it delivers excellent image quality, rich colors, and impressive detail. Performance autofocused K30 offers 6 frames per second continuous shooting, which is quite fast for a mid-range DSLR. Autofocus is handled by the SafeOx IXI system with 11 AF points, including 9 cross-type sensors. It's reliable in good light, but like many DSLRs of its era, it can struggle in very low light or fast action. Video capabilities: the K30 records full HD 1080p at 30, 25, or 24 frames per second. You also get manual control over exposure, which is a plus. Video autofocus is slow and noisy, so it's not the best choice if you need continuous AF during recording. Overall, the Pentax K30 may not be the newest camera on the market, but it's still a fantastic choice for enthusiasts and outdoor photographers who want durability, reliability, and excellent image quality at an affordable price. Thank you so much.